Okay, I have placed it, the lawnmower on a couple of sawhorses, and then underneath here I am going to place a small catch pan, and then we'll go ahead and remove the drain plug on the bottom. Some lawnmowers, there's a lot of apparatus underneath there, and the newer ones have deleted the plug on the bottom, so then you would need to tilt the mower on its side and drain it out through the dipstick hole. Now that it's drained, we'll go ahead and put the plug back in, and we'll tighten that down just a little over snug. Okay, most lawnmowers take about 20 ounces of oil, so it's not a full quart. And on the end of the dipstick, you want to have it in the checkered part of the dipstick when you put it in there. If it's too full, you're going to have problems where it's going to be not running right, and then it'll be trying to go through your air filter and carburetor and everything. So it's best to just keep checking it. Just add it a little at a time till it's in the full mark, and then you're good. So I'm just using a straight weight oil. That's what it recommends. It's SAE 30. Okay, I dipped it in there, and it is in the crossed pattern, so we're good to go. Go ahead and reconnect the spark plug.